today we will be reviewing the Modelart hobby series Skyraptor X RC Quadcopter. So this is about the remote. This is the throttle and the turn and the flipping switch. This is the directional switch. Here we have some calibration trim switches. Here we have the main power switch. Here we have some extra functions, photo and video, but the camera is not included with the drone. You will have to buy it separately. Here is the drone light and this is the speed option. This is the RC antenna here. This is the headless flight mode, and this is the flip or the 360-degree stunt button. So we have the main quadcopter. I have the orange edition with 2 types of propellers, blah blah blah. We have here some plastic ABS plastic guards. These are somewhat flexible, and we have installed the landing pads. They are really bouncy. Here we have the battery compartment. Here are the specifications of the battery. Then here we have the power switch, and this is a sliding thing. Here we have a slot for the camera. The camera we will have to buy separately. Here we have the full lights. The forward part is this, and it is flashed by the green lights, and the rear part is red. Let me show you. Like this. Now this part is about how to fly the quadcopter. So to fly we will have to on the 2 switches. Then it detects as it blinks fast, and then we will have to pair it like. Now this is paired once the blinking stops. Now I am switching off the lights. So it is somewhat noisy. I am calibrating it. As this is an indoor flight, I will not fly it much higher. I am not a pro in flying drones. It crashes frequently, but it has really nice quality. It just scratches and the paint just scrapes off, but it is very resilient to damages. This is a really nice quality drone.